Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today you're going to learn about lecture 3 of 3 and the subtopic is indices, surd and log. So now we can start from indices. First of all, you have to know the definition of indices. For all a element of R and n element of positive integer, so a times a times a until n times, this is equal to a to the power of n, where a is base, n is exponent, power or index, and a power of n is an exponential expression. An exponent shows how many times a number is a factor. So this is rules of indices that you have to memorize. So we will go through one by one. So rule number 1. A to the power of m times a to the power of n. Since both of them have same bases and the operation is multiplication, so we add up the index together. For rule number 2. A power of m divided by a power of n. You can see that same goes to rule number 1. They have same bases, but the operation is division. So we minus the power. For rule number 3, a power of m, power of n again. So this is equal to a to the power of m times n. For rule number 4, a times b, power of n. When you see same power, you can times the bases together. For rule number 5, a over b to the power of n. Notice that they are different bases with same power. So this is equal to a power of n over b to the power of m. With condition, b can equal to 0. Here also some important formula for indices. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. A power of negative n, when you see the negative power, you just change it to the fraction form. So this is equals to 1 over a to the power of positive n. A power of 1 over n, so this is equal to n root of a. So a power of m over n, m is going to be the power and n is going to be power of root. So this is equal to n root of a power of m. Okay, this is a video about surds. What is surd? A surd is an irrational number in the form of n surd of a, where n and a are elements of real number, which is expressed in terms of root signs. Irrational numbers which are surd are surd 2, surd 7, and cube root of 5. Irrational numbers which are not surd are pi and exponent. So this is rules of surd that you have to know. For the rule number 1, surd a times surd b is equals to surd of a times b. For example, surd 2 times surd 3 is equal to, so 2 times 3 is 6. For rule number 2, surd of a over surd of b. Okay, this is equals to surd of a over b. For example, surd 6 over surd 3 Okay, so here we can rewrite it as surd of 6 over 3. So 6 over 3 equals to surd 2. Okay, for rule number 3, A surd B plus minus C surd B. So this is equals to A plus minus C times surd B. For example, okay, 2 surd 3 plus 3 surd 3. Okay, when we use this formula, we can get 2 plus 3 times surd 3. So the answer is 5 surd 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, this video is about subtopic logarithm. If A and N element for positive real numbers and N equals to A to the power of X, then log N base A equals to X. Okay, if A equals to 10, then log N base 10 equals to X. We call it as common logarithm. If A equals to E, okay, E is an exponent, so log N base E equals to X. So this is natural logarithm. Okay, here we have 3 laws of logarithm. For the first law, log M times N base A equals to log M base A plus log N base A. For example, log 2 plus log 3 equals to, so we use this law, M times N. So 2 times 3 is 6. For law number 2, log M over N base A, this is equal to log M base A minus log N base A. For example, log 2 minus log 3. So we use this law. So log 2 minus log 3 equals to log 2 over 3. Okay, for the third law, log M to the power of P base A is equals to P log M base A. For example, log 5 base 2 equals to 2 log 5. Okay, make sure the bases are same before we apply this law.